Hi, I'm Sultan, founder of PyBot Labs, and we have built a highly effective way to learn how to code. Imagine being able to sense or move things around you just by writing code, without worrying about jumper wires, sensor modules, or complex software setup. PyBot works with any Raspberry Pi Pico, but we have also designed our custom board, the Beaver Board. It works seamlessly with our platform. It comes with sensors, switches, LEDs, and it can control motor and servo with an inbuilt display module. So everything you need is already there, just plug and play. Let me show you how easy it is. We will use a switch to control a motor. So we will go to the app.pybotlabs.com and click on Open IDE, select Block IDE. We'll start with the forever loop, and then we will need a if condition block, and we will add a else condition as to this block. So now we want to start the motor when a switch is pressed. So we'll go to the input, bring the switch condition, and then we'll go to the motors and bring a motor block. So we'll move left motor to speed 80, then but we also want to stop the motor when switch is not pressed. So for the else condition we will do it stop block here, and that's it. Now at this point we will connect our Beaver board to your laptop. Just click on connect, select the board and press run, and you have your project running. Whether you are using blocks or Python, there is a tutorial path for you. Head to the tutorial section, filtered by the skill level, and start where you are comfortable. Beginners start simple, blinking an LED, and gradually move towards advanced robot control. Every tutorial is designed on the one before it. The Beaver board is coming soon. Whether you are just starting out or know someone who wants to learn coding, sign up to be notified. We will only reach out when it's ready, nothing else. Thanks for watching.